Hey there and welcome back to this video about how we take an HTML template and convert it to WordPress. Just before we corrected the style sheet with a simple small PHP function called getTemplateDirectoryURI. So now we got this beautiful theme here and it is inside WordPress, but we don't have anything. We can't edit anything from inside WordPress, and that's a problem. So how we're going to do this? The first thing that we need to do, if we take a look inside of our WordPress backend here, we can see we got some pages. If we access the pages element, we got sample page and we got privacy policy. Let's just make a new one here. Boom. Because we're not going to use multiple pages in this example here. It takes a little bit more coding if you need to have a multi-page example. But let me just close this one there, and let's just make this the home page. All right. So we have a home page now. Boom. Doesn't have any content. And let's just go back to our pages. So we got home page. Let's just, if you got a sample page, trash that one. If we take a look inside of, we just need to make sure one thing in the reading part of settings. We just need to check if WordPress is actually displaying our latest posts or a static page. So we need to go with a static page, and we take home page, take home. All right, save changes. Then we're going to head into custom fields, because now we should do the cool stuff here, because we want to be able, in our theme, from within WordPress, we want to be able to change this content here, change the title, whatever. And how do we do that? Well, we can create a field group first to make some fields. And we're just going to call this home page. Right. Then we're going to add a field now. Oh, now we just need to check one thing, because we need to, if you had multiple pages, you would make sure that the page, because this plugin can do a lot of things. If we, you can do this for posts, you can do this for users of pages. We just want to use a page. We want to say if a page is equal to homepage. We want to apply this, okay? And let's add a field. So let's imagine that we want to get, basically we want to get this, the Innovation Cloud Conference and this text here, make this editable. Okay, so we will make, let's just call this the white box. Yep, just as an, oh. I'm just gonna bring this back to Firefox. Whoop. So white box header text, and if you tap, you can see that advanced custom fields automatically make this field name. This is the one that you should refer to in the PHP code later on, when we will refer to that in the code. So that is basically the same text with underscores on that. And you can decide what field type. Let's just make this a text. You can do a whole bunch of cool stuff here. Text, number, password. You can do a WYSIWYG editor if you want to do that. Letting the user actually change the fonts and sizes and everything. A whole bunch of options here. We're just going to take text here, and you can make instructions how you want to instruct the content writer what they should do in here. So let's just put in write the header here. That's just an example here, and many more options here right now. If there should be a default value, for instance, a lot of cool opportunities in here. Okay, so we're going to say close field, right? And I'm just going to create one more to make it white box description. text. Okay, and it's gonna do the automatic conversion there. Let's just make this a WYSIWYG editor, so we can, because this is the actual text here. Maybe the user wants to actually change this. Okay, so we're gonna go back here and close the field. That is all right. And just before we close this, this is a list of what we want to hide on the screen if we want to hide something from the user. And there could be reasons why you wanted to hide the revisions or the permalink or the content, whatever, to make it more simple for the user. I'm just gonna toggle everything all and just skip the content editor, because there's a lot of things that we don't need to have for this example, but that's up to you to decide, of course. Okay, so let's publish this. Bam. All right, so we got these two fields now. We have homepage, and it's gonna have effect if the page is homepage. Right. So we defined our fields right now, and in the next video we're gonna actually hook these fields up to the code so we can edit the content from inside WordPress. All right, thanks for watching.